Well, new reports are in that Lyft is potentially stealing tips from drivers. Now, I'm not claiming that they are, but many drivers are saying that they are, and I've heard that many drivers don't trust Uber and Lyft's tipping process, and they think, well, shouldn't there be a third-party service actually handling all the tipping that goes from the passengers and ends up fully to the driver? So we're gonna dive in, but please thumbs up the video. And I do want to thank our video sponsor. So our video sponsor is Solo, which is the business app for drivers, and they are providing guaranteed pay for drivers. So if you go out and work from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., for example, and drive for Lyft, they're going to guarantee that you earn 37 bucks an hour. And if you don't, then they are going to pay you the difference, which is actually groundbreaking. And now, just want to say, this daily income guarantee is only available in select markets, but they do have a free nationwide app available, and they do plan to expand that to more markets as they expand. They're a new company, so you can sign up, and also when you sign up with our link and link your account, type in your Venmo or PayPal, they're just gonna send you 15 bucks just for signing up. It takes 2 minutes. Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy is an investor and an advisor, so shout out to him. But check out this. Average drivers with Solo take home $5,000 more a year, which is absolutely groundbreaking, absolutely incredible. It's a fully tax deductible expense as well, and they do have a free trial going on, so you can check it out. And they also do have a free version, just, you know, you never have to pay anything at all, and then you can still get access to the personal income dashboard, custom weekly income markets, and this $3.99 a month one does have federal tax projections, so they're gonna estimate how much you're gonna owe in tax, which is pretty awesome. But look at this, my friends. This comes in our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group. Warren Decker posted this. He says, I've never done this before, but I got fed up with tipping lies that I had to do something. Have you guys heard of tipping lies? I'm very skeptical also. I mean, I have had my fair share of fishy tipping. Look at this. He said, after waiting 23.5 hours for a tip to show up, I gave her a 3-star with the comment you see below. No tip, even after your friend tried to give me a tip, but you demanded he didn't and promised me that you'll tip me. About 10 minutes later, a tip mysteriously showed up. Have you guys had this? So look at the, and then we're gonna look at the comments, which they're kind of crazy too. So this guy waited the 23.5 hours, you know, because they have a 24-hour window to leave a tip. He waited 23.5 hours. He remembered them. The passenger said that, you know, their friend was gonna give him a tip in cash, but the passenger said, no, I'll tip him in the app. And look at that. Then he said after 10 minutes after he reported that, the tip all of a sudden showed up. I mean, isn't that kind of coincidence? Like do you think the passenger was like, oh my gosh, it's almost 24 hours, let me leave that $5.54 tip? I mean, that just looks really, I mean, maybe they did round it up, but do you think that? I mean, that just seems interesting. And then Charlie says, customer don't see the comments, only Lyft does ... And then, so maybe like, Lyft was like, oh shoot, this driver has proof that, you know, there's a tip there, let me now pass it on. Charlie Lego said, I thought passengers see those comments and not just Lyft. Nope, stupid, but yeah, well, I don't know what happened, but I don't think it was a coincidence. I don't believe in coincidences. Right, me either. You think Lyft want to show you're cursing out at the customer? So I guess Lyft tipped me 10 minutes after writing this comment on passenger, LMFAO. Passengers won't tip you if they saw that. They definitely won't tip you 5 if they not planning to tip you at all. But yeah, look at this. And then somebody said, when I hear I'll tip you in the app, I give 1 star automatically. I definitely don't do that, but I mean, that's a little extreme. You can rate after the fact, 24 hours. Bro, they won't even see this. It better be 2 or 3 stars. And right, they left a mess. So I don't know. I mean, now no class, you was wrong. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now, if you have better customer service, you wouldn't be thirsty. Work, drive if you're driving for tips, good luck. But you sure showed her you're not any better than the ones that they say I'll tip. That's a really long sentence with a lot of slashes. So yeah, I don't know. Lyft probably stole your tip and gave it back after your message. Yeah, that's kind of the coincidence here. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you guys had any, I mean, I'm not claiming that they are, but I just want to make this video to raise awareness, and maybe like, if a bunch of people have had this, maybe we could look into this deeper. So, and maybe, just maybe, we could do a test. We could do a test where I give somebody a ride, and let's just say that, you know, I know this person, or I follow up with this person, and they show me in their app that they left a tip, but I didn't get that tip. Just saying. there could be a lot of money in that. So anyways, did want to thank our sponsor Solo. Please sign up for Solo down below. You can get sign up for absolutely free, and they're actually going to just send you $15 just for signing up. It's the business app for drivers. They're going to help you with tracking expenses, so you owe less in taxes, which is incredible. You could save thousands and thousands of dollars in taxes. You can sign up for this daily guaranteed pay feature, so you can get paid more daily and at the end of the year. It's like pretty amazing. So check out Solo down below. You guys are awesome, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.